mechiamo wo yen Awurade Yesu Kristo timo se wo hwe misisi a on the 11th July a morning service ewo Accra Madina Abukudu enioma bebre na ekoso wo hwe nipa domo a omoji twi na omoba last time no e kire se Awurade ye bibi e de amankofo na omo adanse a ebro adwen ne ntiase so hwade Bible say onyame na modifo so na yi Israel owie na osanfa wodifo no so ahwe wo mo nti ansa na nyame be hwe wo no o de fa wodifo so menka say difo yi nyame dabi memom omo ye nyame nketo awate asefo asase so omo te ase de omo te ase firi say sente sa anka obi nka se na me ko doctor ojaba ho no enna Awurade afa ne so ama enne mayese de mitie eno nkwanka bibi nkyerɛ wo sɛ mfiri yenwuma emum Awurade na fa yɛn so yɛ bi eton safrɛ on the 11th July binu nyina hyia ɛwɔ Accra Madina Abukubi na yamma Awurade honhom aba abesi yɛn so na Awurade honhom na kasa fa yɛn mu ya hwɛ de kronti sister what na sinfinhyia bebre pɛsɛ wutu kwan but why ya emfa de bia yɛ ban so ofisa ebre duru sɛ woni wode hufo ne baba behia on the 11th July ɛwɔ Accra Madina Abukubi na minim sɛ Jesus Christ obefa me so a obemo wadanse say
what has happened right now?
The State Seer,
I'm here.
The Eagle for Ghana.
Okay.
There is another testimony of traveling. This beautiful family here are here to say thank you to your God. They are here to say thank you, Jesus. They said they came to meet you at the office. They came to meet you in your element. Actually, they were looking for American visa for a whole family. By the mercies and the glory of God, today they have the visas.
They have their visas.
The complete family have their visas.
How many people? 3 people. You and your children.
Yes, please.
For how long now? For how long now?
Since 2015.
2015.
Yes.
Can you celebrate the oil in the house? Just
clap your hands.
Celebrate the oil in the house. So now you are having your visa.
Yes, Papa. I'm having my visa with my children.
And it's not just a visiting visa.
No, please. It's a green card.
Green card.
Yes, Papa.
For
The God of
years.
my father. Papa, there is another testimony here.
Okay.
This is a testimony of healing.
Now, they should bring their visa. I just want to touch it. Come. Hey.
If you would clap your hands, the Lord will do something for you.
Okay, so this one is not visiting visa.
Baby. And just a walk about.
Wow. So now, they are citizens in America.
Yes.
Wow.
This is what the Lord can do. If you are clapping your hands well, this will surely be your testimony. This will surely be your testimony.
Amen.
The very day that they came to the office, they were so worried because they have gone to the place for some time but nothing to show.
For 10 years.
So when they came to me, I told them that this is the right time. And as you are about to move to the place, I am giving you direction, so allow your husband to bring the direction. And after you are done with the direction, you will go there. They will never question you. They are going to give you 3 visas without any question. It was just last week, Thursday.
Couldn't even look at my face. I said, "Na ejabi there many months. Me share many mu.
When you get there, she can never ask any question. So you are going for your visa. No question. And to God be the glory. Now I am here with their visas. They are not just a visitor. They are now Americans. For the past 10 years,
For 10 good years,
10 years,
in fear to
they have fought with them for many years now until they encountered power. This is an evidence for you to know that there is power in the house. Now,
when you see them standing here,
America.
very soon you will see them in America. Yes, as they are going, she can file it and come and pick her husband too. So very soon all the family people will be in America.
And they are going to enjoy their life there. I am seeing greatness knocking at their door. And these people will be one of the financial pillars in the house.
Just say odi for there fititama me di n'echi no ade bi o ye bia no just say o hwe enede a o chena de bro na de so just say de beto so no bebo o chena de no
o chena de ebru enede so that is
ebro adwene ne ntiase so eti say na wo hwe me a say wo pese wo so nya wa dance di a bra papa ojaba ho enhwe wa sori a wo ko enhwe wo time. Say would no me time minya kwan wani beba ho so no na wade pepe bia yira enti mesre say wo hwe me wo TV ne so a bomode na pebre na bra na wo ne papa emedi
11th of July can be
11th of July 2 weeks from today 2 weeks next week betwem na the following week no yes aba na me shewu nkran say bomode na bra na wo ne papa emedi ahia
or the new born ebo.
Wo ba fa wo bo ebra eno na akwankyira ye be yusu next 2 weeks fa wo bo na fa na bra na wo ba wo be hu na wo so wadi adanse ti se senia me di adanse na me de me di adanse ye bebre mama me ba ketwa ade to me ba no so na ade to no so na me hu dia me ye na me hwie back to sender oil na me di gu akwala isu na me bo papa di ojaba nyame me de me wire ne makoma me bibia di wachi enhwe ma me ndi awire ho na me ba no ba nkwa mu bio. In fact sada ade ni sie me ba papa so hwe o ka say ade keke na ato ne so enyo ye no na o de kan na nka wan sori afie fe so asaka kire me bio se eye otwa epilepsy se no otwa no no eno mo de ato akwala ne so akwala de anonim akwala ye de otwa ato ne so enti nkanya de na me papa minya ewo gidie ewo papa mu de gu ne so de bompa ye de ma no enka epilepsy ne nya me be e ma papa mama kwankyere ma eno na atwi ni sa otwa no papa hye me se edi ho biem se wati ase menya ma me de enti wo so bra wo bibi how bibi biara wa asase we so se how nko ade a bra papa nim na wo benya ho anomu aye.
That's it. We na make am one. It was said when unyame difu ehiem on the 11th. On the 11th year, on the 11th July. A Friday and no sorry. If I say Jesus Christ fam so boa. On say Drew baby a na mo busa mo ho. Say ade we say de ntia no kre. Hwe ekwan awurade fa yen so ade ye adwuma no. So what if fear na say wo hwa oh it is too good to be true. And what na me pesa wo be hwere wo fie keke. It was so woni ye baba be dimpu ne mpu on the 11th July. Minini mpanyifo bebre wo a omo hwe video na omo hwe TV na eche omo nsam na aye omo say agoro bi na yedi kopem so omo ne ebehia omo hia pe afei na ato omo akasakasa se
ye frame me Douglas Money me yedwuma working as expert operator na be free flight mu say ameba off no be free flight mu see ya na machi agi metwi in fact anyonko for class me ya banka krankra na de car befa me na me call hospital koda me call hotel ti ade akyin ye no na still na nje kura anti ambulance kura na ede befa me e me call hospital se me twa ne shorter doctor ne fi me call MRI machine mu ni ade nyina na che se se operation a no mo ye de omo ye me afi na fi pressure so free adwuma because adwuma no mo ndi me ho agro afi na pressure ne fi adwuma mu se me kokko yi operation no so na me stretch kakra ti me ba fi en ba na me wife de ni TV ato ojaba TV na wo hwe no hwe mpo me se wo de wo na asofu ya be ya o agaga no so da hwe bi ti me hwe ya in fact na ne ekoso no na me hu se ene na esese me ko hu odifo because otubika obi na sema ewadim ne ebe ye di nyina ene na ese me so ko hu odifo enti me tu ana amount de buy me buy no bedi so true me so no am ura dem ho no be duro ha no say Douglas money why you lucky say wa ba ha enedue afi na me hwehwe mata de say bia me ba jibi bo ba bia me hwehwe afi me mata de se me so me ba jibi ba bia me dey no triple be this na me trans ti me trans ya no se krache enne why you lucky so wa ba be pie ha se ne wa me pie ha na pressure ewo adwuma mu no ema awokoye da operation na utra we usisi yesi kokoye operation se ukoye operation na bi huwo Douglas Money se utihwi cheyem utihwi cheyem a why operation na one sorry bio ndisisi a anka se nye papa ya ewrade nam no so ehunwe eka kire me a anka metena he anka sisi a metihwi cheyem mitimi na antibio na me na antimpo ne zin na me dead ma he me ire ne me mba me so me ne obi akafra adwuma etie so me ye yi kakra na se me na metia panyam na nka me ye dai enti me de me ka kire papa ojaba ene na sorema ne na sofo abo ha se aseda eni kabia ena me de ma ono ene ne nya kopon wa hwe me so amasa amri ene bitumi gina me na so esori gina amda mente me sa sori gina me ya kwantre ni wie ye no bi kese se me gina ho no mo me gina me na so se anka se nka me tefi che enti asida edika bia se bi so sene na ase a me de makreria po onyankopon ene wo papa ojaba ene wama mete de mete che me de emema mu ofie me de me ye chinyi defo pa me ye eda e wa asori me ye eda e wa asori enso ne yeto me no me papa e kan bibi e fa ho na me hwe ne anwoma so kwa na ese me tu ho anamo me baaye no so ene me ne o enti motifie na se mo gi achinya in fact se Dr. Ojaba the State Seer nia nadwuma yetie no se wa nhwe ne no ama wani ana ho pa wa dwen mu be ye o se eye setup
si wo se papa nadwuma ye na nkasa ne se wotifie na wo hwa oye man se adwuma o oye man se adwuma
because ensam no akase no de we si bi be wo anhwe ne pa wo beka se setup nanso me tia na mo na me ba ye no bi wura ho no mo se Douglas Money papa e je se ne ye hwe ye no kre
but because
obi a ka bi anja me po me late etimi na mu kem za mbese kwatna se enti enuanom amofi wo problem a tia na mo eko ojaba awa Accra anase Antosu eputreja me de say no efiri sa time no de maye ne say enipa wotumi ka ensem a edienim eba no me de asor da bia program bia mekobi just there me pese ohumanim keke because ohumanim mpo na wamfra me wanya hwe a anase o ya de ma obi no obi dinda tam de sika kakra mpo kwoto ne na ase a na ohumia na kire se minim se ade boni bia endi manim a eba because ade boni bia di manim oba obehu aka kire me ansa na madam ani kura free asorobo enti me wa me ntina ho ncha say no wa na me ne mabusuafo nyina na hu ne aba so yaba me patro Ghana me watakwa patro takwa ni pa frame Douglas money Mr. Money no bia de mama e frame me a transport business kakra me wife for provision store am some wife for brand your aba o so aba say there ye fie ni
na wono ankasa ne yebehia ye no wa gie die hunu se Awurade tumi wo ho eye adwuma me to nsa frɛ on the 11th July anopa sorry na onim so odifo bi akuta akwankyere enu ti na me to nsa frɛ se Friday morning service on the 11th na yeba bi hye mu Accra Madina Abukobi no wo ba afa boba wompa yebuso anabra
11th July papa si yemfa ebo enhia no ewo ha 11th July papa si yemfa ebo enhia no me pese wo to wonsa efra foforo no mo ba to wonsa fra
me pa cha me jamina so ha because me kacha nyinam for Eastern region e ho na me fi ba ye ti me kacha nyinam for bia se o ha bia da wo so ne yare akwantuo ne esikasem se wo adwuma enko yie wo de braha na wo ba wo de nya twan me ba me twan yo minim se me time ebeso me nsa beka me de wo ha ti me wrahye na enye dede
agroni form
oh enye kasa
I am seeing my sister
Me hunu mi nua bayi.
in a house,
Abo fie bi mu.
and all of a sudden
Na hunu mu ha.
I saw her coming from a room.
Me hunu sa wo free dan mu mi pie.
When she was coming,
Na bra wo ba no.
she was holding a bag,
Na me hunu so kuta bag.
two bags,
Me hunu bag mienu.
bag mienu, and they were all full.
Na nani mu na ayema.
And she came out with the bags
Na wo pie free di.
and was crying.
Ana wo su.
All of a sudden,
Amunu mu ha.
I saw a certain woman
Me hunu ma me foforo bi a.
telling her that
Wo ka tira ne se.
in this house,
E wo fie ha.
if you go for marriage,
Wo kwa aware a.
you come back empty-handed.
Wo de wo nsa pan besenya ba.
All of a sudden, my eyes opened.
Na amunu mu me ni bie ye.
When my eyes opened,
Na bra me ni bie ye no.
I saw this woman
Me hunu me nua bayi.
with a certain man
Ene papa bi.
in a room,
E wo edan mu.
and the man is insulting the woman,
Na be ma no e didi na tem.
telling the woman that you are useless.
Wo ka tira ne se wo so ni mfa so.
Ever since I met you, I don't see things well,
Ebra mi hia wo no mi hunu se wo mabra
and you
bo.
are a bad luck onto my destiny.
Enti wa be ya bad luck wo mabra bo.
God spoke to me and said,
Ebra ka tira me se.
that is the houseman.
Sa ene ne kunu
And as I'm speaking to you now,
na me no wo kasa se
I
se.
am seeing a man
Me hunu papa no.
moving forward, going somewhere.
A wo ko baby.
And I'm seeing a man
Me hunu papa bi.
telling a friend
A wo ka tira na
that I
dafo.
will never go back to see that lady.
Enti me nko fie ho enko hunu wo ba
So
no bi.
I am seeing a man who has left the house,
Me hunu papa bi a we free fie ho.
and the man is complaining that this woman is a bad luck.
Na papa no e keka se ma me wei.
Hear me and hear me well.
Ne bibia
You
se.
are not a bad luck,
Wo se wo ka tira se wo ya bad
but
luck.
it is an attack on your marriage.
Na eyade bi asore tia wa wa.
It's an attack on your marriage.
Ade asore tia wa wa.
And they did the same thing against your husband's father.
Sa no mo de ya wo kunu papa nso.
And so it's about time for him to also behave the same way.
Enti aduru bre ono so ase wo fa sa kwan no so.
But I'm seeing peace reigning in your house,
na me huna sumji a ebra abusia no.
because the demon fighting your peace is now leaving.
Every say what time for no be yimfo na wo kutia wa sumdua no ofiri ho.
You are feeling so bad, and you are feeling so
bebree.
frustrated
Wodi yaw bebre.
because you suffered with someone,
Every say woni obi na bre ye.
but the person doesn't value you.
Enso nipa no ombu biom.
But as I'm praying for you today,
Ebra me bom pa ya ma wane.
God will vindicate you.
Ewurade ebehu mobo.
Stretch forth your hands unto our
Se
sister.
won sa eso ye nua ba no so.
I am having private matter.
Me wo asemi ase me ka kire wo.
Hi. Me hunu te said ye be ma bi kira nanim.
Me hunu say I see a man before her.
And odidi na tam na we say
The man is insulting her. The man is insulting her.
And wodidi na tam bebre and me hunu say abusuafo bi so support no.
I see the man bashing her with insult, and the family people are also supporting her.
Because
supporting him. Because the man has spoiled the woman before the family people.
But
this is what I see in the realm of the spirit. The man is a good man. He has a good heart for people. But he has changed all of a sudden. It is not about him. Because they don't want a woman like this. They are pushing another woman to the man, and that woman, as a result of that woman, the man will come down.
Last year, 31st night.
Now
we were
praying in a church. You mentioned the name of your husband in the church.
Yes, and
so the demons in the family have gathered together, saying that this woman wants to deliver the man from that thing. So the man was in the bathroom bathing, and the spirit entered into him, and all of a sudden he started behaving towards the woman in a different way. This is a woman who doesn't worry.
But no matter
whatever he will do, she will do for the man. The man doesn't appreciate it.
God said we should pray for the husband. The husband is a good person, but the enemy want to scatter the family. After church come, I will tell you something. Your husband is a good person, and we must pray for him. Holy Spirit, save your daughter.
Mommy, oh me, mommy, oh me, hey, and I don't know what to say. Oh, Raho. Yes, you got gra. Yes, you got gra. The real one, I mean, they do rough one. No, Yankasana, Yankay, there's someone.
Papa, I'm saying I can 1 and 3 times. I'm a baha. Me started fitting the door. Me who the door TV no so na me say e wo say me mba me ba the door na so say nyame ahihye as ade bia ma we ono nyame no owo ne mre e de ma me ba the door
amfa
locate me na me nim say me mre e na ensun ye me san ba the second time
yen few
that
amfa
enti enne me ban me free na me say rade ojaba nyame enne ma papa locate
oh
awa me femu no ento ntwa enti na me wa ampa so nyame wande me hwamo esan se o se hwan na baby same rade enam a me de owo be manana ade a me bi say rade no otie me pipe
rade tie
me pipe and I menem so say papa hu ye ni nyina ba ni wie ti me gina ha me da rade ase esan se nya sei e no pe ma me ono rade ankasa de o hihye wo mabra abo ni mu o manim rem eno ana me wo
what be share ready to me edi
pa ejiedi na de papa ye wa ha no de obeka say ye ntro bia ono sombre bi no behwe me ye obi a me ra sorry dem ma say me huhu man kan me mbebio na so na kan wa 3 times na kire say rade ni to me eye ejuma
mama de betu me catch us Friday we share Baby, how? Baby, shells. Baby, cost one yet. My yen shawati 98 yen Sambia and Crofoke Kanimu Wabim. Now, one corner on the echo. One corner for pains. I'm say Friday we share. Baba be Jerry did.
Bible must say missy woman. Na na nka nkofo nte ase. Hwe se nsuo ne yare. Wa wo benom wonyemwa na wapon. Omo complain kire wodifo na wo se momma me ayowa ne nkyene. Enka enne mabusa ayowa ne nkyene. Enka no so be another news. But wonim say oji ayowa ne nkyene no. Na adom ete no so kire se wo hwie nkyene fa wu ensuo na niwam. That means also ayowa ne mu. Otimi locate baby etwa se wode nkyene ni kogu esa nsuo na na oyare ne yare edifo ye nyanyansasam ye nyamesam eno tina me se wo ha na atena wo so wache yare bi atena wo so wache koda na amane bi te wo hyebre so wabɔ mpa ye sta bi akode dadida prayer camps wo hunu hwe me pa acha wo Yesu no modi abofre bi bre no ose osuafo na ye domo ye still na ne ho nto Yesu sa die we die na ka die we die this kind of adie we die e ya kom kire ne mpaibo. That means wo so how no e betimi aba se enya mpaibo na wode ne nam prayer camps ne nkwa na be solve e twasa akwankire bi beka me to nsafro on the 11th on the 11th July Jesus Christ be me wura de na maye na ko aprekope wo ba ni wo de hunufo na baba bi hia wo ni the State Seer de wo man na hyeda agye na tom abo na baso wo man ni enya me ya na mpofa to me ho so de mum aban mu na mo mbom abaso saa me to nsafro me pese wunya me so mfa so
yo ye frame me Isaac Apia if you have Kenya ase last year me for the 2 years ni na me time me sache se me tu ekwan yakọ amanone na me ye process ni bia na normal delay na sela no manye ti me tona moba ujaba ahimfi ebe ka akwantu no asem che me ka che na afa no se time on so intiko kwatu sika na nipa kro no private scan for the wonya kwani scan ye ni business kra ti kwachi wa de na me fe nipa no na me ji scan na me sabai enti last year na papa ka chem sa fe na wo bre no aso December ni mu ene se o ka chem se bre aso nti kokwaji wa yi na me sati process na anya me ado me saka ti mo ha no ma me de nya me ase Canada visa working permit na eka working permit na eka and pacho ene na me de chire ne ni obia mo hwa me din ne bomu no bibia kama nti the American say me de nyame ase na mo nso amu wa chirichiri a mo timi nkanyina no se wo de wo pa kwantu di a be so say bla ojaba himfi e bobo na mane se kwan mu da ho obeka a kire se kwan mu na wo so obeka a kire wo se kwan mu na wa wodi sika se bre na so nso di ani tatahwe enti
abra me ka kire wo se go na wo no
they me one say the nipa see me ne communication no ne yi de me nim say dito but they one say papa ka kire me na me free nipa no na beginning na o ye me born hanya akra bi no na free de me hu ni say waye mele no na sache say afri de wona chirichiri and obusa me say o kind of obusa me say he na wo call ye na me say papa ujaba himfi na me ba ya o kind of kire bi ezi me da biase me da biase denya biase
kende ni kwasa obo because who say ya kana kula sa ya tro who be ne
pa papa bonya me fana regard e o sa se me san fana bra ujaba ha no class o problem pa ele na nwanwa wu ye nwanwa wu crack se wanu so problem pa wo hu no kure no no aka akire me agent na me o ka se sia wo UP ho no wo o yes ade ti ha yɛ yi nso sɛ kwa ka bidi ni nyinaa ma ɛsɛ wo papa wo fa no hɔ no ma bibi ehurehura wo bi mi da nyame ase sɛ nyame ɛna papa so ama me nsa ka akwadba chwane mi free ha no mu ɛyɛ nyamboa akyina mi free Ghana mi da nyame ase enti ɛyɛ my wife Emina Shure crowd say a pana a nation meko ene o mo a me ba na me bo padi ana so mo yeah yi ni na no ene no if you chene committee pray into background say because what you watching here there as wala.
So I'm inviting each and everyone who is watching us, please come and have an encounter with the man of God and your life will never be the same, I bet you.
Sabi me this sama who say bia Erade ka bia chem say we emfiri me but say Erade kan kire me bia ana mama papa we wa me odifo bia no obetimi ka bia metimi ya de madwen aman because the prophecy no a dance
Anointing.
A dance. The whole me cast the whole Ghana, the whole world. Me no me. I did for you all there, but the other come watch him come chasing there. Osa ojaba in fear. Me nimba bi ago share.
I did for all there, but we don't know them. And I can't testify about them. The one that I can testify is the man that we are talking about. Who? The seer. Prophet KB Manokin. Say, I did for yes, but me to make come once because minimum. To the making GD net 2 animal to a fun away.
Yeah, make out the ocean be behind the side. This is the time and transfer by Fubin cool. And transfer my more transfer my own brain science and Okoya mini patcha. Obioa, Opodaya Sabian son or Bompire say, General. But also. Kai before man
blame.
This abre ahun odin to 2 minutes abre ane ya jenkrofo e rade fire so jenkrofo but why na ebo bia ma me na why na hwe me so ma chia ma me
oh
enti wo se me so me gogo pedi obe hwe ma chia ma me so ati ase enti no me kan cho se tra so ba tra fe na be wa tra fe na wu e bi sa wo ka na wo dam no obi nya tra sa ka nim ofie na wo tim no obi mpa ibo ne se da be wu no oba be pam ma nyina be fa eni sa wo ba tra sa be obi akuma wi ansa na what was some I be jina kwancha ba beso da.
It's many parents tina fie. Yen sha friada.
Ana be hwe fiada. Kwase da o pa puto ja ho. Betu be hwe papa ho. Bibia be kama. Bi fie hadia. So be wura fie hadia. Obo say o ja no. E ba ne.
On the 11th July. Wo ba be hia wo de hunufo ne ahwehwe nsem wo ma wo. Mani po wanim say pede me hunu wo hawo. Me hunu wo ha de wie pena bia kwankyira tato o mpe we na apade yi o so de a wa da radio ho bo radio so mpa ya still na sister unyini wo ya mre abredu say woni wo bia wo hunu ade na bible na ka say sufra mi de hia dem that means esu no eyempaibo it was a bompa ye de hia dem wo wi a obeje wo so enye so no ye den ero ne the spirit of prophecy. The testimony of Jesus Christ is the spirit of prophecy. Enuti, come and witness this encounter. Yeshua DBC. Na oba sa on the 11th July no ano pastori na wo ba na wo fa wo boba no na wo pompa ye ka wa asem gusu wie na de baba be hia me a be hwe wanim na ensama hyase e dikodu wo ba eye abomode se wo be ma wo de hunufo ne kwan na makasa na medikodu.
I am seeing your husband as a pastor as well. Your pastor, your pastor, Apostle Doku, poured oil on your husband and anointed your husband as a pastor. And I'm seeing your husband holding prophetic mantle. Jesus. But his rank is below me.
And also for Mame has had encounter with God through the prophet of God today. It wasn't easy for her. I'm telling you. What mean Yankopon name now na debio so Yankopon sana sigu sana.
Overcomers Outreach Ministry. That church, you started church some time ago, and I am seeing Pastor Augustus. Even he knows what I'm talking about because you have been working in there. Now, when you go to Pram Pram, branch. You are well known there because you have been singing.
I'm from Pram.
You are from Pram. So you have a branch.
Yes.
Overcomers Outreach Ministry International.
Jesus.
I am at Danme Rural Bank. Hey.
Mama, Jesus. Why?
Today I was dumbfounded.
You are dumbfounded. Come. Your English is very, very nice to me. Very understandable. Come. So for me, she said, today it was dumbfounding. Why? Explain.
Because a whole church, I was the first person to be located.
Oh, church. That means God knows you.
God has remembered me today. All my prayer points, God has remembered me today.
I am seeing you in need of a child. And you started, working on it. Until one day you pounced on a certain Nigerian lady called Moritz. Was it too much? Why? This is what? This is serious.
This place is a real place.
Say it again.
This place is a real place. If
Wow.
anybody is going through something, the person should come here. The person will receive answer instantly. I am going to the house with a testimony. That is sure.
I saw you communicating with them, and you went for them to show you how to, enter into fertility something. And that was last year. You started with some seed, and you were doing it. The first time you started the seed, you were praying over the seed. And you said, Father Lord, I am trying this and I want you to help me to conceive, and I will name my child to a prophet or to my church leader. Now, when you mentioned that, God said, I know what I'm doing, so I should tell you, Benis, to shut up. Today, I was naked, I'm telling you. Work it, Major. From my say,
You are too much.
it's too much.
Too much. You are too much.
Your husband is a pastor.
My husband is a pastor.
Bernard Amakai.
I can see that you are shocked. Why?
I was shocked. I don't know.
All the prophecies. Wait. Come closer. All the prophecies that was laid down through the prophet of God, it was many. Which one shocked you, and why?
That shocked me was that I was doing some fertility treatment with some Mority fertility. Nobody knows about it.
Nobody knows it.
It's only me and my husband. But him mentioning those things, in fact, I was shocked.
You started the seed, and when you got to the last seed, and you called them, and you told them that, so should I stop or I should continue? And they said, okay, stop. And you said, you are having the last seed. And the lady was asking you, and you said you have 26 days.
Shocked. You've met. Haven't you heard the prophecy before?
I've heard the prophecy, but this one is too much.
What makes it different?
It's too much because he's just going deep into certain things that nobody even knows about it. Me myself, I was even shocked when he's saying some things today. I was very shocked.
So you started that fertility, whatever, and you got to a point you were even tired, and you went there again, and you told the girl that you are going for a scan. You went for a scan, and the guy who took the scan said, Madam, Adiano Ayekasiye. And you called the girl, and you told the girl that this is what has happened. They said, Adiano Ayekasiye. It is a fibro Ayekasiya. And the girl said, then you have to do something. This one, either you choose our. This is serious.
Never encountered this.
You have never encountered it. You can never encounter it.
About this.
No one knows
about
about
my husband and that lady.
But God knows. God knows it.
You should be saying, I'm a bomb. O sorry ana tete fie na okeka ototo ayam pia say na odifo bi eni oman bra boko de odifo ni oman me se on the 11th bra be hia no ha me nkyere wade kronti a wakọ American embassy 4 times ni nyina ya refuse wo se hwi no wo se honhom ni o ma bi anya adwuma bi odifo bi aboda wo se odifo bi anya wo man ni wo se odifo ho hia bra na wo be hunu se Jesus Christ de wo ye ye ne mabi nso ye bi a esene de wo ye because wo se mo gye mi din ni di a mo ba ye nuoma kese esene wo no ne di.
What has happened there?
Papa, there is another testimony here.
Okay.
This is a testimony of healing and restoration.
Okay.
Our brother here says he came to meet you on behalf of the brother who is abroad, who is in abroad now.
Okay.
Actually, the mother passed away, and the brother came down to bury the mother.
Okay.
When he went back, everything went down for him. Everything from business to health, everything collapsed, everything went down. But because they believe in your oil so much, the oil of God upon your life,
Hey.
they came to meet you in the office.
If you celebrate the oil, if you
If
celebrate the oil, you are going to testify as well. Powerful.
Yes, Papa. After meeting you, after having an encounter with you, you told him what to do. You directed them on what to do. And today, to the glory of God,
Hey.
their brother has been restored.
Hey.
Business has been restored.
Hey.
Health has been restored.
Hey.
Everything is moving.
Celebrate the oil in the house.
Ah.
This is what the Lord can do. So if you are sitting under the sound of our voice and you are having issues upon issues, consider it done, because God is still in the miracle business. If He's working for your brother, then have it in mind that very soon it will reach your head. If you celebrate the oil on top of your head. What again has happened there?
Papa, another testimony. This is a testimony of healing again.
Okay.
Our sister here says, this small boy, that is her son, has been suffering. He has this ear problem. Ear problem. Water has been coming out of the ear for 1.5 years. They have tried everything, all forms of medications, and it was not working. She came to church. It was an all night. That day, as you were operating, you just touched the head of the boy. It was a stone direction.
Okay.
And you touched the head of the boy. That water coming out, that pain in the ear, whatever the young boy was.
Everything has come to an end. Celebrate the oil in the house. If you are clapping your hands, the next minute you are going to see mobile money on your phone. I said the next minute you are going to see mobile money on your phone.
On the 11th July, Brabishia will State Seer. Ewa Accra Madina Buku. Wo ba oni abusua ni nyina mra. Bomoden ko hwehwe eboba ba ko pe e pa chaw. Nkotwe eboba bese bag ba ko fa mafia. Because me mama bi akwanche se onko. Onfa muko ba ko pe na me fanye direction fa ma no. Otwen ya after 1 month asa no wo ba. Oba no kuta muko boto ba. Eti ya mama kwankyere ma mu abisi akwankyere. Eye boba ba ko sei. Ka promotion asem ni buso. Ka wawade na pese eguo ni buso. Ka de kronti antokwa asi wo wawade mu abepim sesei. Ka ne nyina guso. Ade kronti a wo tre samsa na wo feli ka guso. Ade kronti a wo kọ embassy a ya ma visa ya refuse sa wa ba mu abu ka guso. Na yenhwe se Jesus Christ be fam so aboawa. On the 11th July, put if ye day. Sa Friday, Asia, Accra, Madina Buku. Fa yade bi abra, fa wo haw bi abra, fa mane bi abra Kristo nchen. Wasemo amaso amane so abre, na mukomu mo fa mbra. Onu Kristo nchen obesua mu, wa mama home. Wo hwe TV ne so a, wo se nkofo di adanse o se, "Eh mi ho adwini mi o, mi ho adwini mpa chaw." Wo hwe mo TV ne so no, small boy bi adi. Anu nti yentu anamo on the 11th July, na bra bi share with State Seer. I say sa dani dua. Sa morning service a prophetic galore. Na menya abutre di kodu ministries dia kwankyere gu akwan. Be se wo de fa boba ne bra. Ye mompaye na ye hwe de Jesus Christ. Obefa no so. Wa ya mo so nya no onye bibia. Yesu wo yi na dia kire ne nko adifo. Me say me ton safro on the 11th. Ma ye hia na wo nso wobɛdi adanse a nkurɔfoɔ die.
One thing, have you heard a prophetic word before?
Yes.
The difference between that one and today's one is,
I think this one is just how he's able to decode the past events. It's just too much. Like,
it's too much.
Prophecy is mostly like in the future, what's going to happen, or things you are supposed to be aware about. But he, like the names of people, then the fullness of people that are not even there. Like, I'm here, and then he remembers the name of my father, my mother, my friends. I have not experienced that one before. No.
In the realms of the spirit, I am seeing, as I'm watching you right now, I am seeing you in a certain family. All of a sudden, God showed me your father and said, this man is battling with BP.
Yes.
And always the family, they have been buying medicines. So whatever they get, they will use it to buy medicine. A whole lot is happening in the family. But God said, I will use this girl,
Yes, Lord,
to set the record straight in the family.
Jesus.
So that the family wouldn't use their money to be buying medicines every day. God said your secret prayer will be answered. Because you were praying to God and you said, God, I want my father to buy me a car. And that prayer will be answered. But the time is not up. Listen to me. This is what the Lord is saying to you right now. That there is a monitoring spirit monitoring you. You were praying to God. You said you want to travel all over the African countries. You want to go to Tanzania. You want to go to Kenya. You have been visiting some places. God said, I have been with her since that time. But there will be an attack this coming Xmas, whereby I am seeing her in the newspaper like someone who has got dent in a house. It was not you alone. You were about 5 people who died. But God said, for you coming here today, I will never allow it. I will never allow it. I will never allow it. When I mentioned that there is a monitoring spirit, this is what I'm seeing in the realms of the spirit. I just reversed the prophetic calendar. I'm seeing myself somewhere around Uganda. In my vision, I saw you entering a certain hotel. When you go to the hotel, I saw you pushing your bag near a certain small refrigerator. When you push your bag there, I am seeing you undressing yourself. And you went straight to switch on the water heater. After taking your bath, something happened there. You forgot you left the water heater. You went to the meeting, you came back. You came back, you realized that there was something happening there. The whole place nearly got bent. You remember? You remember? The same thing wants to happen this coming Xmas. But as I'm standing in front of you as your prophet, God said I should see. After seeing, I should hear. After hearing, I should break. I should command the fire to go back to your enemies. Now receive yours, receive yours, receive yours. Now receive yours, receive yours.
Why were you screaming? Why were you shouting? Why were you jumping? Why? What's the problem?
There's no problem.
There's no problem. Okay. I think he's speaking American English. Okay, you come closer. Come closer. Me, I speak everything. So, how did this thing happen?
The thing is, the accuracy of the man of God is crazy.
Hey, wait. Was it the accuracy of the man of God is crazy?
Wow. Exactly, because The fact that he mentioned my father's name, the name that he mentioned is not the name my father uses.
Yes.
God knows him by a certain name.
Sure.
The name he mentioned was his government, like the name on his birth certificate, the entire full name.
Obed Asamoah.
Obed Asamoah.
And he mentioned like people in my life, like their names. It was, I could not believe it.
You could not believe it?
Yes, events that had happened in the past that I didn't even like think of. He could decode and
what went on years.
Yes. Something about the Musala airport like this. I wasn't even thinking about it, how he was supposed to get there, know what happened. It's beyond me. I can't.
That makes him the prophet of God.
Prophet K.B. Emmanuel King, the transformation agent of our time. Holiness of Christ, Zion International Ministries, the transformation church in the transformation world. It is better for you to believe and live than doubt and die. He's your prophet. He's your transformation agent in the transformation world, seeing through the eyes of Jesus and preaching the pure word for your transformation. Prophet K.B. Emmanuel King is the son of the major prophet, Prophet Ambassador Uben Angel, giving accurate prophecy to shock great men and women. Hosea chapter 12 verse 13. By a prophet, the Lord brought Israel out of Egypt, and by a prophet, he was preserved. Many who doubted are dead and gone. Those who believed in the servant of God, Prophet K.B. Emmanuel King, Dr. Ojaba, are giving glory to the Most High God. He is my prophet. He is your prophet. Great men are shocked by the accuracies of his prophecies. Great women can't stand his deep prophetic voice. Prophet K.B. Emmanuel King, the transformation agents, seen through the eyes of Jesus in the transformation world. Prophet K.B. Emmanuel King, Dr. Ojaba, the state prophet, and your transformation agents of our time, seeing through the eyes of Jesus Christ to transform your entire life to the glory of God.